Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show a simple way how you can delete a contact in Skype. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is when you're going to be on Skype, you just want to simply click on whatever contact you have, like Jessica here, right? Click on the Jessica and you need to scroll down below and you're going to see right here, delete a contact. Are you sure you want to delete this contact? Yes, I do. And this is pretty much it, how you do it. So I need to, again, click on whatever contact you have, scroll down below, and you're going to see right here, delete contact. So thank you. Have a great day. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. And yeah. See ya.